one here, I put in my old Amazon boxes some wood pieces I got from the mill down the road, and I added some of this charcoal lighter. The only thing I didn't add this time was briquettes. I got these at my local country store. They seem to work pretty good. It's like sawdust and wax. And then if I can't get it going, I'll use my propane tank. But yeah, I need to get this down before I can take the rest of that down and make another brush pile. Hang on. Sometimes I work smarter, not harder, but most of the time it's harder. Got one section going. Let's see. Today's a nice day. It doesn't always rain in Washington like everybody thinks it does. I did have this one covered with the tarp, and I put it over that pile over there. Where's my glove? Just went and got the pruner's gonna try and trim down the stuff that's sticking out. And bucket. Don't need to add more fuel yet. Seems is dry. Maybe I should light the backside too. So far so good. Maybe we'll start prepping this one over here. Here's still my Amazon boxes over there. But I do got some mill scraps. I'm just gonna use this guy for now. I had this one covered too. That one seems good. Let's try this one again. Too hot right there. From this side. Oh, that one needs more help. Alright, let's see what I did. The fires burned about halfway out, and then I let them burn out because it was just too dang hot. I cleared some more over here. As you can see, the brush piles, they're now bigger than they were before. But made a little progress, dug up a couple ferns. It's not supposed to rain for a week, so I'm not going to cover them up. Cleared a little over there, not a whole lot. And the spot that I need to go next is over there. And it's looking like everything's coming up now. Stuck on blackberries. Dug up a couple ferns. Got this little guy, got to dig up because I have a little trail bike. I'm going to start ripping through here because walking up and down this hill for 3-4 hours tires you out pretty good. And I gotta go over there sooner than later also. But just a lot that still needs to be done. But I'm not giving up. And then I gotta come this way on Mother's Day. And that's probably a good day to start digging that chunk of metal up and see what it is, because my family had no part of it. It was here when they bought the land, so we'll see what it is. And hopefully it'll stay nice. I wouldn't mind if it cooled down a little bit, but I can't complain. Little progress, but progress is good. Thanks again, guys.